Looking for great camping bags to buy on Black Friday? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1. Quality construction and long-lasting materials mean this rucksack is built to last for miles. And then some, by Berghaus. Number 2. Flowback system for enhanced comfort. Height adjustable chest strap, another great product by Berghaus. Number 3. Berghaus 24/7 rucksack contains numerous storage options and a good-sized main compartment. UK Black Friday deals are now available. Click this link below and get yours.